Okay, I wanted to show you some of the things that Noodle Tools can do for you as a teacher. So I'm logged in as me as a teacher now, and I can create projects under here. And that's of course where when you're in a project you would add your sources. But as a teacher you can create inboxes for students to turn in their work. And so I created one called Test Inbox, just a random name, and I suggest doing something with your course name, the year, or something else to denote what that is. And then from the student side, once they are here, they would start a new project. And then within, they choose, it defaults to MLA and then the advanced, which gives the most options for citations. So once they create their project, oops, sorry. Once they create that project, under here, they can click to choose that with the project inbox. And so if you give them ahead of time the name of that inbox, they start typing that in, and then it should populate for them. It tells the name of the teacher here that created that inbox. Under here, though, make sure that your students put in their name, because if they don't do that, when you see the list of all the students that turn things in, you will only see their student ID number or whatever they used to create their ID number in Noodle Tools. So encourage them to put their name here, and then they would click done. And then when they add sources to their works cited, let me show you on the teacher side again. If you go back to that inbox for that class, you see underneath that inbox I have two things turned in. Here's the one I just created. You can see easily there are no sources here, no notes created, and you can see, especially if they put the name of the person that created that project. Here's one I started earlier. And once you open that person's project, you can see everything they've done. You can see if their papers attached or note cards are attached. You can click on their source list and see their sources that are in progress. And so I can easily see that they have a video clip here, and this takes me to the live link for that video clip that I've created. This one has a web page here as well. This one is just a digital file. It was just a Google Doc, so I can't see what is there since it's just a file they have in hand. For each thing they turn in, you can enter comments. Like earlier, I put this test comment here. You can ask questions. You can have things that you require them to do here, or you can just say, good job, that's a great source you did there. You can require that students respond back to you as well. So when you are logged on as a student, you will see that highlighted comment that your teacher leaves for you. So this is a kind of a good way that you can monitor what they are doing in progress. If you want more information, let me know. I am happy to, when you, especially if you want help with this, create or show you how to create the inboxes. First thing you would need to do, especially if you wanted to collaborate together, is create an account yourself in Noodle Tools before your students can add to your inbox. So sorry this was a really rushed video, but I just want to show you these things. Thanks.